Welcome to SVFF, tiếng Việt giọng miền Nam cho người nước ngoài. In this video, we will learn how to pronounce this name in Vietnamese. It's Ho. Let's get started. If you're not familiar with the Vietnamese language, pronouncing this name, Ho, correctly may be a bit of a challenge. So first of all, it is not Ho, a Ho, a Har, a Ho. This is a surname. It's very common in Vietnam. First, let's break down the name Ho into two individual sounds and the tone. So the H here, it's similar to English, okay? Ha. Ha. Now, the O with the little hat above it, it's like the O in English, okay? Now repeat after me. O. O. Now combine the two elements, ha and O. We have Ho. Try again. Ho. Good. Now the hardest part is the low falling tone. This one. For this one, you drag your voice down. Okay, like this. Repeat after me. Meh. Meh. Now add the tone to the sound we just learned. Ho, right? Add the tone. Ho. One more time. Ho. Okay? Now let's try again. Huh. O. Ho. 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 Okay, just a little practice, you will be able to pronounce Ho just like a Vietnamese. Good luck! And do you know that learning pronunciation with SVFF only lasts for 6 to 8 hours? Register for a free 30-minute trial here. Remember to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Cảm ơn. Chào bạn.
Thousands of Vietnamese learners have successfully achieved the goal learning Vietnamese with SVFF. You can do it too. Join us for a free 30-minute trial here.